Hi, this is Laura Alexander in Virginia Beach, LA 24 Design Studios, and I want to show you what I'm doing with a pour that I did. This was it's a big canvas. I'm going to put it against the chair so you can step away and show it to you. Okay, so this is a big one, and I did the kind of a puddle pour, and then I blew it out with the hairdryer, so it became a Dutch pour. But now I'm adding to it. It was too boring to me before, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. It almost now gets like a watercolor effect, and I'm adding all these lines and color in, and I'll show you how I'm doing that. I wish I had a steady camera here. Okay, so I'm just sponging, and where it's boring to me, I've got the sponge a little bit wet. I'm just taking and dabbing and bringing some color in, and I think it's looking a lot better. And I've also done some crazy lines to add a little bit more just texture to the picture and make it stand out more in the corners. I've kind of sponged around to make that more colorful. And then this one I just did a lot of dots on. Some of this was the pour, and some of it I have just enhanced. And to me, it's a lot more interesting now, and the colors stand out better. This whole corner was bare, and so I'm just adding dimension and color in here by sponging. Same thing with this corner, and I'll just go in and just do this. And if it's too dark, I just wet it down while it's still wet. And I come out almost with a watercolor effect, or maybe I guess you'd call it ink. And if you have a few different sponges on hand so that you can switch sponges if you feel like it's too much. But it's just giving it more color, more texture, and more dimensions. I hope you like it. Check me out on Etsy. I haven't got a whole lot on there right now. I need to list a ton of my paintings. I keep wanting to paint and not take the time to work. So this is some of my artwork up on the wall. When I do the smaller ones, I usually paint a blank canvas dark so that I can mount it on there. I think it's way better. And this is, I'll show something on this later on, where I painted over canvases and then I gessoed over it, and then I just took my knife and carved in designs. So I've got some of those I'll be doing, which is fun. I like to always load a bunch of stuff. This is one of them that I gessoed, and you can see I'm just starting to do a painting on this one. And see the texture on that? It's really cool, and it's so easy to do. So that one's in the middle of being painted. I always have 59 projects going on. I'm not happy unless I'm just painting. And I really do have a day job. I'm a stager by trade, so I'm in and out. So anyway, I'm going to get this one done, and then I'll get it up on Etsy. This one is probably a 20 by 24 or 24 by 24. It's a big one. Okay, thanks for watching. Please join my channel. I've just started it. Eventually I will have, as soon as I can figure out how to work the camera stand, I'll actually be able to have it steady so you don't get seasick from watching my videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Make it a paint day.